today we are going to be unboxing the Minecraft bee farm Lego set. Look at the front. So you can see some blocks. This is a bee farm. You can see the beekeeper, blocks, flowers, and the villager, and the angry bees and the friendly. Now let's look at the other side. When you look here, you can see that there are the sheep, the villager, the friendly bees, and the beekeeper, also the angry bees. Now let's look at the very last part, the back. When you look here, you can see that you can turn the angry bees around. You can open up the tree to keep a bee inside, and you can adjust the beekeeper's wings. Let's open the box. Instructions. So I've got my bag number 1, bag number 2, and the instructions. Let's look at the instructions. So when you open it, you can see that you can scan the barcode to access the instructions on the device. Then you can see this and how to make the characters. Then how to make the parts. Then when you go all the way to the back, you can see the glossary. Okay, so with the first bag of Legos, you can build up to this limit. And then for the second bag, you can build the whole thing and finish it. Let's start. Okay, so let's look at the blocks. So you've got the grass, some more grass, some water, and some parts for the platforms, some soil, the parts that will move the angry bees, the fire, one orange block, and four dotted blocks, and the cute, adorable miniature carrot. So finally, these are all of the things that I got from packet number 1. Now let's start building this. So first, we need to make the beekeeper. So first, let's get the head and the body. Let's keep it like this. Then let's remove the head once again. And then take this small part and then keep it here inside. And then add the head. And then for the back, you will need the first wing and also the second wing, and then you will need the shovel, and then put it in the beekeeper's hand. Make the rest of the characters. So now I've made the villager and the sheep. And it's done. Package 1, I have made these characters. I have finished creating a few characters and the basement. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make the hard flower for the Minecraft base. We're going to be making this tiny little flower. So first you will need 1 green this part and any colored petal of your choice, and then you can attach it to your base. So I just finished making the sets and now I'm going to be showing you all the functions. Okay, so let's first look at the trees. For the first big tree, you can see that you can open it up and you can put one honeycomb and a bee. Not to know, you can also take a bee and you can fit another one inside. It up. Let's look at the next function. The next one is that for the angry bees, you can see that there is a small lever here, and when you push that lever around and around, the bees go spinning. You can see the mechanism right in here. There are also some more bee faces that you can swap. Like for example, if I take one bee out of this, I can change the face from a friendly bee into an angry. Last but not least, with the turning bees, you can remove this, then you can remove that. You can take one of these parts and then you can adjust the beekeeper, place it here, and then it will look like the beekeeper's flying. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, bye and have a lovely day.